morning. I'm Luis with Airtron. I'm here to perform your spring check today. I need to know where all the thermostats are and the main drain is located at.
Okay. The main drain is located here.
We put a drop cloth over the sink so it makes sure there's no blowout when we flush the drain. Where is the indoor unit located at?
It's right here in the garage.
Thank you. Before entering the attic, we make sure that our ladder is secured to the attic ladder for our safety and to protect the homeowner's property. Upon entering the attic, I noticed a potential fall hazard down on the ground, so I'm going to notate on my safety paws and apply a pit board as well. Upon first inspection of the air handler, we see that there is a UV light present. Now we notice there's minor microbial growth on the panel, which we'll be cleaning up today. Also notice that on this 45, a rodent chewed into it, Armaflex, so we'll be replacing that today as well. First, we're going to be flushing the main drain line. Now, in the majority of our area, it's tied into the vanity in the restroom, so we'll be using our drain cat to be flushing that primary drain. The benefits of us adding water to our P-trap is to ensure the drain line is clear and to ensure the P-trap is primed with water. If the homeowner provides a filter or is on our filter plan, we'll be changing out the filter each time we're out for a tune-up. We'll be checking static pressure to ensure the correct CFMs are coming out for our air handler and to make sure there's no restriction in the airflow. Since there's a UV light present, I want to make sure to unplug the UV light, so we're going to be pulling the disconnect so that there's a zero state. We have verified that it's zero state, so now we're unplugging the Molex plug from the UV light. While the unit is on a zero state of energy, we're going to take this time to position our M clamp into our blower high voltage to get our amperage, and we're also going to take this time to make sure all the connections are tightened down. Now that I have my M clamp secured to our line side, I will be energizing the unit to get our blower FLA. Before checking electrical components, we are going to de-energize the condenser. And ensure our lockout tagout is in place. Now we'll be checking all of our electrical components and making sure it's in zero state. So to ensure we're in a zero state, we're going to check the load. And each leg to ground. Now that we ensure that the condenser is at a zero state, we can safely check the capacitor and clean off any dust and debris from the electrical components. Before we energize our condenser, we are going to safely locate our common to our compressor and also the common to our fan. Now that the system is energized, we want to make sure there's a voltage drop in the contactor. So we're going to check the line, the loading going in, 243, coming out, 243 as well, so everything's working within tolerance. We'll now be confirming the compressor and fan amperages. So we have the compressor amperage going at 12 and the amps for our outdoor fan motor at 1.1. So we can conclude that the unit's working properly and within range. Here on the retail service side, we utilize our smart probes so that way we do not lose refrigerant or contaminate the system. So we have here the units calling for a 12-degree subcool, and through our data sheet we can say that the unit is within manufacturer specs.
Not only are we not attaching refrigerant hoses to the system, we also have total visibility of the whole system measurements all at once. With all the measurements taken, we will create a measurement report to attach on a field connector.
Before completing each and every call, we like to wash the condenser coils from the inside out and take out any debris and leaves that are in the inside of the condenser. The last step in our tune-up is to turn off all thermostats to ensure that the air handler and condenser turn off.